Hello friends. First of all, introduce myself. I am Manish Thokre. Today's our topic is inheritance. So we can see inheritance in Java. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object. It is an important part of object-oriented programming system. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from an existing classes, you can reuse methods and field of the parent class. Moreover, you can add new methods and field in your current class also. Inheritance represents the ISA relationship, which is also known as a parent-child relationship. And then we can see why use inheritance in Java. For methods overriding, so runtime polymorphism can be achieved. Then for code reusability, then we can see class. A class is a group of objects which is have common properties. It is template or blueprint for from which objects are created. Then we can see subclass and child class. Subclass is a class which inherits the other class. It is also called as derived class. Then we can say extended class or child class. Then we can see superclass and parent class. Superclass is the class from where a subclass inherits the features. It is also called as base class or a parent class. Then we can see reusability. As the name specifies, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates you to reuse the field and methods of the existing class. When you create a new class, you can use the some fields and methods already defined in the previous class. Then the extended keyword indicates the you are making a new keyword, new class that derives from an existing class. The meaning of extends is increases the functionality. In the terminology of a Java, a class which is inherited is called as a parent or subclass, superclass, and the new class is called as child or subclass. Then programmer is the subclass and employees is the superclass. The relationship between the two classes is a programmer. I say employee. It means that programmer is a type of the employee. Then programmer object can access the field of one class as well as of the employee class, that is code reusability. Then we can see types of inheritance in Java. On the basis of classes, there can be three types of inheritance in Java. First one is single inheritance, then second one is a multi-level inheritance, and last one is a hierarchical inheritance. In the Java programming, multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through interface only. We will learn about interface later. Then when one class inherits multiple classes, it is known as multiple inheritance. Then we can see one example, single inheritance example. When a class inherits another class, it is known as a single inheritance. In the example given below, dog class inherits the animal class, so there is a single inheritance. Then we can see multi-level inheritance example. When there is a chain of interface inheritance, it is known as multi-level inheritance. As you can see in the example given below, baby dog class inherits the dog class which again inherits the animal class. So there is multi-level inheritance. Then we can see hierarchical inheritance example. Hierarchical when two or more classes inherits a single class, it is known as hierarchical inheritance. Then example, uh, dog and cat classes inherits the animal class, so there is a hierarchical inheritance. It's all about inheritance. Thank you.